Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw from Okx Wallet. It's easy to withdraw from your Okx Wallet. Make sure you have some crypto you wish to withdraw and also have crypto in the network you wish to withdraw. A simple example or a simple explanation of this is if you wish to send BNB tokens, make sure you have some smart chain BNB. If you wish to send Ethereum tokens or Optimism Ethereum tokens, make sure you have the Optimism Ethereum, which you're going to be using to cover gas fees. If you wish to send out Matic tokens, make sure you have some Matic. And if you wish to send Arbitrum tokens, like the Arbitrum itself, make sure you have Arbitrum Ethereum to cover gas fees. So guys, with your crypto available, that's crypto on the chosen network, all you need to do now to send is simply click on the token you wish to send. Let's say the Arbitrum, click on the send option. You could simply paste the wallet address you have. And once you've pasted the wallet address, all you need to do is click on next and simply enter an amount you wish to send. So let's say 0.2, click on next, and all you need to do is confirm the transaction, and the Arbitrum would be moved from your wallet and into the other wallet of your choice. So guys, that's how you can simply withdraw from Okx Wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.